Hey guys, it's Stephen Harrison here. I'm a lead forecaster at the National Weather Service in San Angelo. Now, in order to make a forecast, I depend on being able to look at observations and satellite, radar, and model data. Let me show you how we do that here at the National Weather Service.
A typical forecaster workstation has PC monitors, but it also has this AWIPS workstation, which is 3 monitors that are able to display all sorts of tools and programs that we use to issue forecasts and warnings. Now here on the left-hand side of the screen, I have a map of satellite data, and this satellite is showing clouds from across the nation. Some of these clouds, like those yellow and red colors you see there, are showing really cold cloud tops. That means probably those are thunderstorms when you get those really bright yellows and oranges. Now, if I zoom here in west central Texas, I'm not seeing much clouds at all. Now, if I look at the network of radars from across the nation, I'm going to zoom in on Oklahoma, where we have some yellows and reds showing up on radar. That's usually indicating really heavy rain and thunderstorms. If I go down to where we are here in west central Texas, I see a bunch of really light blues and grays. When we see a bunch of noisy looking light blues and grays like that, that means it's probably just radar noise and we're not looking at any showers. Now on the right, I'm looking at model data from the American model showing us the weather pattern, and the colors are showing rain that the model is forecasting to happen. And as I go backward and forward in time, Texas doesn't seem to be getting much of a chance of rain over the next several days, especially here in west central Texas. And here we have a map of surface observations from across the west central Texas area. And finally, when we release our weather balloons, they provide data that goes from the surface all the way up through the atmosphere, and this is what it shows. So a chart that looks something like this, and this helps us kind of see what the atmosphere is doing at that particular location, and it really helps us to forecast.